Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max for my dad. So let's go to the specs. This one has 4 colors: Pacific Blue, Gold, Silver, and Graphite. It comes in 128, 256, or 512 GB of storage. And the Pro and Pro Max one features 6 GB of RAM. It has a 6.7-inch OLED display with a brightness of 1200 nits, and Apple still features ceramic glass. It's powered with A14 Bionics and has a 3687 mAh battery size. For the camera, we got a 12 megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera at f2.4 with 120-degree angle view, a 12 megapixel 2.5 times at f2.2 aperture camera, and a LiDAR scanner for better night vision. It features stainless steel edge design and Apple Coat ceramic shield. It is IP68 water and dust resistant up to 6 meters, 5G, Face ID, wireless charging, and MagSafe. So let's unbox the thing. So let's peel the wrap off. Beautiful box. And lift up the lid. Check out our gold. Let's put it to the side and look at accessories. Now we know the elephant in the room, no charging brick. Here's our instruction manual. We have a SIM injection tool, booklet, and only 1 Apple stickers. And we have a Lightning to USB-C cable. Let's put the box over here and peel the plastic off. Look at that display. Finally the biggest display I have at all time. Let's power it on. And there we go. Thank you guys for watching, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.